Alright, so I just repaired the backlight on this iPhone 6s. Let me go ahead and turn it off and show you what I did. Okay, let's see. I think I recorded this job, but if I didn't, that's why I'm doing this. Undo the battery. And let's take the screen off. Okay. Now, so what I did was, first let me show you on EasyDraw, which is my board view software. I'm probably going to get ZXW next because it looks like it's got a few more phones that this one doesn't. So, oh well. Okay, so let's see. I pulled this. This was my donor filter. Because this one, this one was bad, and when I pulled it off, I messed up the pads, or the pads were already messed up. So that's what happened there. So I had no pads to connect to. So what I did was I pulled, like I said, I pulled this one off of another donor board, and then I clicked this here, and I said, okay, where does this go? I have no pads here, so what can I do? I got to tap in somewhere else. So I grabbed this donor off another board, I soldered it here, and then I said, where can I tap in? With this other lead, this line. And then so I have that filter here, and then I ran a wire down the side here, and then right there to this capacitor, and that's how I was able to get the backlight to work on this phone. Now let's see it under the microscope and see how that looks. So as you can see there, that's where I tapped in. I put some PCB solder mask on the top, and I actually ran it this way first from here, and there's that capacitor. So I tapped into that capacitor there, and that's where I ran the 34 gauge wire. I was going to use a 40 gauge, which is a bit thinner, but I wanted to be able to I wanted to have a little bit of something to actually hold on to. Yeah, I mean, I can use 40 gauge and it'll work just fine, but this is a little bit thicker and a little bit easier to use. So right there is where filter was, the backlight filter. It's a little bit of a mess. This one I took off, I forgot why, but in the process I took the top part off of this, and this side, you know, where it's got this this covering here, but it still had some on the side, so I was able to put it back, and I checked for continuity from the side here to this pin here on this FPC connector. I think I'm gonna have to stick this thing in the ultrasonic. And anyways, that's how I was able to repair this phone. So this one here, this top one, it's FL4211, and we want to check that out. So bottom one's good, top one is not. Look at that, that thing's not even on there. Hope it didn't rip that pad off. Tiny bit of solder. Can't really tell what's going on there. I mean, it's like a pad, but it's to the side. Alright. Let's try not to damage anything. Now, actually, I was going to tap into here first, but I feel that this isn't that strong, so I will tap into there, and then I will run it the way I see fit. I don't want this going anywhere, so I'm already going to just tack this down with the PCB solder mask. And I'm just going to put it on top of this coil here. And I could tin that wire first, but it's really not going to be necessary. Okay, I think that's on there. Nope. Was it? Did I pull that freaking thing off? Jeez. So we need another backlight filter. FL4211. Which is 240 ohm and 350 milliamps. So we need another one of these coils, filters. We see that there's a few more on the board, at least. I'm gonna have to pull another one off of another board. Don't remember. I think I took off this one already. So we'll go for. Oh, let's verify. Let's see. We got FL4211. We probably got a few here. So this one's 70 ohms. So we got another one up here on PP1V8. But you know, we're just gonna pick one, and we're gonna pick one the same size. PP1V8 is size 0201. We're also size 0201. Let's see what we got. Let's see where this is. FL4205. Okay, good. It's up here. So let's get our donor board back. Okay. Came off fairly easily. Make sure you're comfortable. Oh. Okay, let's get into view here. Okay. That's on there. Let's clean it without screwing it up. Okay, should be enough. Just go ahead and anchor that down so it doesn't move. Some of our blue stuff, our PCB solder mask. Alright, let's take a look. Let's go ahead and solder that. Just add a little solder to the tip here. Probably enough. Okay, that's on there. Let's not wiggle that off or anything like that this time. Let's just get the knife and do that. Okay. So what we did here was these pads were slightly screwed up, and then I just finished them off and just totally screwed them up. There was a filter there, so instead we tapped from the top here onto here, which was the test point for there, and then we ran this wire over here to this cap here. So that should take care of us. Let's plug the battery in. And time for the moment of truth. Come on, baby. Yes! How do you like that? Backlight Repair on an iPhone 6s. Alright, so that was a successful iPhone 6s backlight repair. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you need any kind of repair in the future, just drop me a line in the comments with some kind of way I can contact you, and I will get in contact with you. Or just let me know what you've got, and yeah, that's it. So anyways, thank you for watching, and have a good day.